Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome to the third episode of Phone Politics News where we tell you the most exciting tech news. For today's video, we have collected some of the interesting tech news for you. So my name is Sovik, welcome to Phone Politics, let's get started. So the first news is coming from Realme C1 with 6000 mAh battery to launch on July 28. Realme has scheduled a launch event on July 24 for the unveiling of Realme 6i in India. This comes just a week after it announced the Realme C11 in the country. Now it has been revealed that there will be another launch 4 days later, but in Indonesia for a new phone called the Realme C15. Realme C15 is the device that was teased last week that packs a 6000 mAh battery. It has now been confirmed to launch in Indonesia on July 28 at 1 p.m. local time. The posters not only confirms the name but also bears it all with respect to how the phone looks. The second news is coming from Oppo. Global Oppo Reno4 to debut in India on July 31st, other countries to follow in August. The Oppo Reno4 Pro 5G and the Reno4 5G hit China in June, but now they are finally ready to begin their global expansion. Or at least in the name, as the versions of the international markets will likely differ from those already launched. The Oppo Reno4 phones will arrive in India on July 31st while Indonesia will follow on August 6. A device with this name also appearing during a show in Malaysia, but no one in the studio revealed when the phone is expected to arrive. The third news is coming from Reliance. So Reliance launches the JioMart app some days back, now crosses 100k downloads on Google Play Store. So this is a very interesting news we find out today. This JioMart platform is competing with likes of Amazon, Flipkart, Big Basket and many more. Currently JioMart is working on 200 locations. The fourth news is related to VPN. So if you are a VPN user, this news is for you. 7 VPN services leaked data of over 20 million users. This is a very shocking news. If you are using a VPN service, then you have to be very careful. The providers who claim not to keep any logs of their users' online activities recently left 1.2 terabytes of private user data exposed to anyone who comes looking. The data found on a server shared by the services included the personally identifiable information, which is PII, of potentially as many as 2 million VPN users. This news is coming from the researchers at VPN Mentor who uncovered this leak. The fifth news is coming from Google Lens. So Google Lens is now available on KaiOS feature phones for visual translations. Back in 2007, Google introduced Assistant for KaiOS powered feature phones that have numeric keypads for text entry. Now the Google Assistant has a new feature called Camera Translate. If you are a JioPhone user, now you can use this feature on your phone with ease. The sixth and the final news is coming from Xiaomi. Xiaomi confirms that the stable MIUI 12 updates to land on 23 devices from next month. The list features 17 Redmi smartphones including the Redmi Note 9 and the Redmi Note 8 series. The Poco F2 Pro and the Poco F1 have made to the list, so stay tuned for this. So that's all for today's video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up. And please support us by subscribing to Phone Politics. Also don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.